So, nandito na si Monet!
Wisit ka.
Sabi niya, she'll be there on time. But then again,
I was an hour late. No, 54 minutes.
and it was cold! Yeah. Anyways, papunta na kami sa trail. So, excited na kami. Pero nalaman ko na pinaplastic lang pala tayo ni Monet. Hindi pala siya mahilig mag-hiking. Napipilitan lang siyang sumama sa akin.
Tamad
so,
kasi ako.
Thanks, Monet!
Tamad kasi ako.
So, okay, we're on our way now. And okay, we made it. But Monet is once again delaying tactics. Kumakanta pa ng Christmas songs. Maraming mga bagets. So, baka mas madali ang trail na to.
Okay na naman tayo.
Okay, our map reader again.
Bigyan mo ka ng mga 10 years para
Para intindihin niya.
Never pa ako napapunta dito.
So, magtitiwala na naman po tayo kay Monet.
Umabot naman tayo last time, di ba? So,
Yeah, kasi I said we go that way. You said go that way. OMG. Kulang ata nilalamig dito eh. Everybody else looks so casual.
ito na mo dito.
Mukhang warm yung jacket mo.
Siyempre may first na rin ako. Hindi siya pang hiking.
Pam-jap arms. Fairness, marami ng tao nag-hike today. Hinihingal na yung aso. This way? Or that way? Or balik tayo that way. Ay naku, we are no good talaga in directions. Wala rin kasing nakasulat eh.
Ayun nga eh.
0.75 pa lang, nilalamig na ako. Sisipunin na ako. Kaya balot na balot. Turistang-turista ako lang nilalamig.
Oh my God. Like I'm trying to get pregnant, right?
Ay, tinatawag na bato-bato sa langit. Ang tamaan ay wag magalit.
Batuhin natin.
There's little kids down there. Kasama ko si Kiara pag malaki na siya. Then she's gonna go, Mommy, no moy! Mommy, no moy!
Papabuhat siya. Not even halfway.
1 mile pa lang. It's a good hobby. But it's a hard hobby. At least I have a hobby. Okay, let's keep going. See if we're going the right way. Ang habol namin ay yung Waterfalls. Pero hindi namin alam kung tama ang dinadaanan namin.
So, bahala na si Batman.
Sayang naman ang 4 miles kung mali. Ah, parang si Pochi. Oh, may bagets. Oh my gosh. Oh, meron pong baby na naka-stroller, Mars. I don't think eri ni Kiara to. Bet niya maglakad talaga. Ayaw niya ng...
Hindi pag tinamad na siya, mag-stroll na.
Ay, no. Oh, with Mama and Papa.
Ayan.
Siguro pag sinama si Kiara, knockout siya pagkatapos.
Ay, naku, sinabi mo. So, tayong dalawa lang kakain.
Tulog lang siya after. Eaton Canyon Falls, life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness are right here. Please help protect it. Ooh, the pursuit of happiness. Finding the happiness at the waterfalls. We're going the right way. It's so nice. Oh.
So, mabilis lang pala.
Huh?
Baka ibang ano, baka ibang yung...
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, mabilis lang yung... I think yung Hollywood sign natin was 8 miles. Sabi nung Fitbit ko.
8 miles?
Yeah. That was far. Ito malapit na tayo. 4 miles daw to eh. So, this is an easier route. Ooh, it's pretty. Yay! We made it! Ayan pala siya. Charot. Okay, a little challenging. Oops. Oops. Silang pala nilakad namin eh.
Anyway.
Let's keep going. Whoop!
Parang ayokong nasa ano kasi kaka-peso.
Wow, center of attention.
Yes. Kaya ano, kaya yung mga vlogs ko dati, ano,
Hindi ka kasali, puro views
oo,
lang.
puro views lang. Tapos yung mga pictures ko dati, puro, yes, emote.
Yes.
Yung mga pictures ko dati, puro ano, like yung view lang, hindi mo makikita na nagpo-post.
So, ano ang hashtag natin?
Um,
Ano nga yun? No to shaming, ano?
not body shame.
Kasi nga, ganun din ako before. Puro pictures na lang ni Kiara pinopost ko kasi nga, ashamed. And I don't like to post. Kasi nga, daming bashers, ganyan. And syempre, I was payat before, and now, no more. So, I feel bad then. But now, parang naisip ko, who cares? I'm working very hard, really hard. So, bakit ka mahihiya? Parang ikaw, mabubuhat mo na yata ako ng buo eh. She's ano tawag doon, nagbubuhat?
And the CrossFit.
CrossFit, how many pounds binubuhat mo?
I mean, the most I can is 245.
245 pounds lang naman ang kaya niyang i-deadlift. Tabi-tabi po. I'm calling her for backup.
In case something happens, ako sasalo sa kanya.
Videoan mo ako.
I am video. Take a video.
Para pag nalaglag ako may ebidensya.
So this is Melissa Rick's mountain climbing first time.
Oh my God.
She made it! Huh? You made it! That's it! So, paano bababa si Melissa Ricks? Talon na lang.
I don't think I can jump that far.
Talon na lang.
Bakla. Mountain helicopter.
Walang signal, girl.
Bakla, totoo nga.
So, timingan natin. Timingan natin kung gaano katagal bago bumaba si Melissa Ricks.
Oh my God.
I'll give her like 5 minutes.
Basa kasi.
Basa ba?
Yeah, there's a water thing. Yay. 5 minutes?
Yes.
No.
Pwede na maging Sina, the warrior princess. Melissa, the mountain princess. Yeah. Good job! High five! Ayan, naka-record yun
Ikaw
lang.
naman.
Okay. Sa akin na lang para ano naman.
Huwag kang malaglag ha. It's scary. I got scared.
Ito na lang pala.
Now it's Monette's turn. Habang dalawang hawak ng camera. Oh, yeah.
Ano ko umakyat dito?
It's hard. Pinagtatawanan mo ako. I give you 5 minutes. Step on something flat and not slippery. Kung hindi mo kaya, wag mo pilitin bakla.
Girl, paano ko umakyat dito?
It's hard. This is kind of high. Hindi, the video is not giving justice.
Parang na-challenge ako, girl.
Are you stuck?
No, like, paano ko umakyat?
Kumapit ako, inata ko yung sarili ko.
Okay.
Careful! Bakla. So, pinagtatawanan niya ako. Ayun siya, oh.
Girl, hindi
She gives me 5 minutes daw.
ilang minutes na?
More than 5? Hindi mo kaya? Diyan ka rin na mag-picture. See? Wag po tayong judgmental. It looks easy, but it's not easy.
Ay, napapala mga judgmental na tao, mga bashers ni Melissa Ricks. Nakapal.
Bashers.
Wait lang, kaya ko tayo.
Idinadaan niya na lang sa tao. She made it. Okay, she made it. But now she has to come down. Diba? Nakakatakot pa baba. Sabi mo jump. O, jump. Yan ang sinasabi ko eh. People are so mean. They're so judgmental. Tuwalon daw ako. Ngayon hindi na siya makababa. Kasi we're not supposed to be up there.
Paano ka bumaba? Hindi mo kasi nasagot.
Yung mga naisip, binaba ko yung isang paa ko, kumapit ako at nagdasal ako na wag ako malaglag kasi nakakahiya. By the way, hindi lang siya crossfitter, isa siyang ICU nurse. So, pag nalaglag siya, help yourself na lang.
Dangerously.
Wow, very dangerous girls. Okay, the adventure continues. More dangerousness.
Pwede na ako for that vlog. Of course, yung ano ko yung...
Mas exciting yung kung may nalaglag.
Oh my
Pero
God.
hindi mo po post yung hike natin na to kung may nalaglag. It's so nice. Good thing it's not too cold. It's how many degrees is it? 59? 59 degrees. It's cold. It's so nice.
59.
Huh?
59.
59 degrees. Ito na ang bago kong therapy. Nawawala ang stress ko sa pag-hike. So
Ka sa mga ano.
pretty.
Just to take the photos.
How can you not like this? Look at that. Unreal.
It's so pretty and it's so cold. Ah. Rocks, rocks, and more rocks. At least there's no horse poop here. Almost there. Ano na Monet? Malayo pa ba?
So, that's the first part. If you remember, minention ni Melissa na we're almost there.
Parang hindi naman.
That was...
We were wrong.
that
Oh my
was-
gosh, we gotta go up. We can see it. We can see it. Do the happy dance. Do the happy dance. Sabay. Dulas ni Monet.
So excited. So, excited.
Yay! Konti na lang, promise. We made it. There's little doggies and other people. It's cold. So there's a rock. There's a big rock at the top. Kung kailan ako magpipicture po, dinumog na po ng tao ang location. Hindi ako This was a much easier trail kesa dun sa Hollywood sign. That was like, it's a video! A 3-hour walk. This one was only 1 hour and a half, right?
Yes.
It's pretty good.
Shorter than the
Sulit.
Hollywood Trail.
So we finished another adventure. More hikes to come kung hindi tinatamad si Monet.
I know, right?
And sana na-enjoy nyo ang aming munting adventure. Bilang we want to share with you guys na it's fun and it's stress relieving and wala lang, happiness lang. So, thank you for watching our video.
Bye!
Remember, be kind.